Struggling with macro shooting? Don't worry, it's not rocket science. Watch this video till the end to learn several eye-opening tips to make your macro photos stunning and sharp. Navigate to the aperture settings and adjust your aperture. For macro, an f-stop of f8 to f16 is recommended to achieve a balance between sharpness and bokeh. Next, manage the ISO. Go to the ISO settings in the menu. A lower ISO, like 100 or 200, is preferable to reduce noise and ensure the clarity of your macro shots. Macro photography often requires precise focusing. Switch to manual focus on your lens and use the focus ring to meticulously adjust the focus on your subject. To avoid any movement, mount your Canon EOS R8 on a tripod. Then, utilize the timer function to eliminate camera shake when pressing the shutter button. This ensures your macro photographs are as sharp as possible. With these settings adjusted on your Canon EOS R8, the minute marvels of the world await your lens.